What's up, y'all? Today is the goal of seeing how many hits this F111A aardvark can take. So firstly, wait a second, it's lagging. So we're just gonna come in on the USS Beast, the most modern aircraft carrier, and release the bombs on it. And I'm dead. The bombs might have exploded me. Friendly fire. Let's take another aircraft, because I really have something great. Where is it? So I think the last aircraft. Nope. Second. Let's wait for it. F105. There it is. F105 Thunder Chief. F105 Thunder Chief. The only thing I like about the F105 Thunder Chief is its continuous rapid bombing. Plus, it's air brake, which I'm gonna show you now. So look at this air brake. Look at it. Oh my god, that's so exciting. Bomber out. Not my one. Trying to. So you see how great this thing can fly, but it's not really maneuverable because it is. Like a jet bomber, fighter bomber, jet bomber. I don't know what they want to call it. Let's see how many hits it can take. Then we're gonna be switching to other aircraft to see how much they tank hits, which I'm gonna be real excited for. We're just cutting in at this. Oh, and this one can rapid bomb. Like this one rapid bombs. It's not like slow bombing. It's a brrrt type thing. See? Told you. I just dropped out of my payload. Let's pull up just so we don't get hit with that ass. Look below us. Saw that? We're just getting our drop countermeasures. I don't care if they lock us. We can maneuver off. Let's see where the missile took off from. Oh, that's just gonna definitely be a miss. Just don't flares just in case. You never know. Just flying around the wreckage. There we go. Alright, let's get that low. See? Oh, first hits. Please. Oh, fire. This is gonna be an easy way to put it out. I wanna fail. I'm out of the munition. That still does not count. I was just ducking so I can get water, so let's just continue to fly over there. Now it's gonna be a little bit laggy fast forward, but what can you do? We're cruising. Oh, we're going down. We are going down. So look at it. So this is the inlet of the aircraft. Really great inlets. And I can literally pull it high G maneuvers. But they're not gonna. We're gonna slam into the ground. Pull up. Oh, our wing almost took some fish there. Just took some fish out. Oh, we're being hit. Grab that missile collided with me. Oh well. Yeah, anyways, I got this MiG-23 fighter jet, baby. Now let's go into Dorito mode. We are in Dorito mode. Oh my god, why is it lagging? Alright. We are in the Dorito mode. Let's drop this fuel tank. We don't need it. It doesn't even waste the fuel. It does need a bit of controlling to do this, because it's really not maneuverable in this mode. So that's why I like to put it out of it. Just so I have some more roll. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. We're just gonna continue. Whoosh, whoosh. And is that a hit? No, that's that. Did I hit it? No, I did not. Shit. Anyways, we're gonna just go on a bombing run with these big boys, these Apex missiles, which are used for air purposes. Impossible. Alright, yeah. Just I have to put flaps out on everything. You know, this is actually kind of realistic. Once you put it into Dorito mode, of course. The best modes everyone is. These foldable wingies. I'm just gonna use that just to roll. Gonna use that. Apex missiles! Draw! Restart. I kinda messed up. If it's dead. Alright, action. What the heck? Super fast. Yeah, it doesn't like being like that, so yeah. Anyways. And the last aircraft business target is the F-16. After the why did I do that? Just need to pull up, you bullshit. Okay. Almost got some water damage on the missiles there. Put it into Dorito mode again, and dun 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 dun. So the MiG-23, this is of course unrealistic. 1,200, it's still going up. It seems to have tats, it's like some between 1,000 to 300 to 1,200. Job please. Oh. I had a confirmed hit. Oh my god, I hate this game. I literally hate this game. People like simple things like this. I'm not doing the MiG-23. I'm moving on to the F-16. I do not care about the MiG-23 anymore. The MiG-23 is only used for air-to-air purposes, actually. But it's still a strike aircraft. Technically, I don't know how, but they declare it as a strike air. Ooh, this F-16, the F-16 is my favorite aircraft in the fleet. So yeah, look how it is. Oh yeah, we can just destroy him with the M61 Vulcan, which does the Does the F-16 look a bit more fat? Oh yeah. There we go. Anyways. I forgot how maneuverable this thing is. I can literally pull the quattro valve maneuver, but it's gonna be with the Su-57 because I have that has thrust vectoring. Also, my friends say my channel is bad. Tell them not to say it. Yeah, also, I don't really want them to say it. But I don't really care about their opinion, just if they don't like it or not. I don't really give a shit about it. But just do YouTube for fun. Alright, let's just shoot the carrier. I have the F-61 Vulcan. Oh, no. Oh. How close were we to death? How close were we to getting my right wing cut into smithereens, and most probably my entire aircraft too, not just my wing. I wish I could drop the missiles. This does have infinity countermeasures, so I could just dump البلاوين الحرارية, aka flares. They just call it that in Arabic, which is my language, but I speak English. Whoa! I need to pull up. Drop flares to not let me get a look. Alright, we're gonna pull up. I'm just trying to pull up. Alright, we're not being hit. So there are weak spots on this aircraft, and the weak spots are the canopy. It's hit like a couple of times. An explosion. Oh, pull up. Phew. It's close. I have crashed into the ocean. Also, the other weak spots are just the rockets. Because if you get fire on one of these, you're bound to go kaboom if you don't duck in the water ASAP. To get the fire, of course, extinguished. You also, this is really good for gun kill, for trying to do some kills and with the gun with the M61 Vulcan. I added that. It wasn't there. It was a ground cannon at first, but then I removed the ground cannon and added this to make it for air to ground and air to air weapons. We're just gonna maneuver. Look how close we are to the ground. And we're just gonna fly by the carrier. We are still fine. We are still not lost. So I think we 11 times about now, which is insane. Just my maneuvering is insane here. Look at this. I know how to control this thing, dude. Yep, I just died. This is gonna be friends for today's video, so bye y'all, and see you on the next one.